Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to lock a group chat on WhatsApp. If you want to add an extra layer of security to your group conversations, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Locate the green icon with a white phone inside. Step 2. Tap your desired group. Choose the group chat that you want to lock. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots at the top right of the page. This will open the options menu for the group. Step 4. From the menu, select Group Info. This will take you to the group settings. Step 5. Turn on the chat lock feature. Look for the option to lock the chat and toggle it on. Step 6. Tap Continue to proceed with the setup process. Step 7. Scan your fingerprint. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your fingerprint and enable the lock. By following these simple steps, you can easily lock your group chat on WhatsApp and ensure that only authorized individuals can access it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.